Good morning, everyone. I'm Annette Hom from CHCH Morning Live. Welcome to the 11th annual Strides in support of Hamilton General Hospital, including the Regional Rehabilitation Center and St. Peter's Hospital. This year, we've rebranded the event as Strides for Healthcare Heroes. It's to show our support and gratitude for the incredible healthcare teams and all they have done throughout the pandemic. It's been inspiring to see the community come together to support these incredible heroes. We hope you're excited for your walk or run this week. Route options have been provided on the event webpage in the Runners Hub section in case you need some inspiration about where to walk or run. And for runners, there's a group on the Strava app to more easily track your times. Just upload your run to the Strava app with the name Strides or Strides for Healthcare Heroes. Thank you to all the incredible sponsors and community partners for supporting this event and making it a reality. Thank you for your ongoing support and commitment to healthcare in the region. Proceeds from this year's event will fund the purchase of an ECMO life support machine, as well as a spirit bed that is specially designed to prevent falls with vulnerable patients. And for every dollar donated to Strides, an additional $3 is going to be added from a generous group of donors supporting our COVID response. Now, I'd like to introduce Mike and Sarah Van Netten. They're going to talk about how an ECMO machine at Hamilton General Hospital saved Mike's life earlier this year.
Mike had not been feeling well for probably 4 or 5 days. And, I basically thought it was a cold.
Shortness of breath was my biggest thing. I couldn't do anything without being tired.
I could hear him breathing across the room. And then they vented him. And from then they put him in an induced coma. He was in a coma for, over a month, 35 days. My hardest part was when he was in the coma. That's your best friend, your person that you talk to, and you just stand there and look at them laying there. There's tubes coming out of him everywhere.
The ECMO machine saved my life, and the doctors and the nurses there, I can't say enough good stuff about. They were awesome, and thank goodness for science and ECMO machines,
ECMO.
Right?
Without ECMO, a ventilator would have never improved his lungs or given his body a chance to heal. He would have never survived without the ECMO machine.
I was finally able to get up and start walking on my own and look at myself for the first time in the mirror. I was in shock. It was like, what did the one doctor say? Good thing I was
robust.
Good thing I was robust when I came in there.
Weight to lose.
So, it was. It took its toll.
They're just amazing.
They were unbelievable.
Fantastic.
The ICU physio. They took me outside one day with my oxygen and everything hooked up to me, just so I could see my kids. And I tell you, that hit home.
They all go above and beyond.
I feel stronger every day, and it's slow and steady, and we're going to get there.
To those who are participating in Strides, it's the most amazing cause, so close to our heart.
Yeah.
And thank you for doing it, for making this your cause as well. And we love everybody who's participating.
Let's give them all the tools and the money we can to support these guys, because anything to save a life is well worth it. That's for sure.
Thank you for sharing your story with us, Mike and Sarah. We're so happy that your recovery is going well, and Mike, that you're getting stronger every day. Your story illustrates why fundraising through Strides is so vital. Next, I'd like to introduce our incredible event ambassadors. Staff at Hamilton General Hospital, the Regional Rehabilitation Center, and St. Peter's Hospital were asked to nominate a healthcare hero from the sites. Some nominees received multiple nominations, which really speaks to their compassion, dedication, and commitment to both patients and their own colleagues. While it was a difficult decision, 6 incredible individuals were identified as ambassadors for this year's event. So please join us in congratulating the following ambassadors from Hamilton General Hospital, the Regional Rehabilitation Center, and St. Peter's Hospital. Dr. Faizan Amin, Nancy DeBeer, Michelle Reed, Jenna Pike, Lindsay Charles, and Biku Tujura. Congratulations to our Healthcare Hero Ambassadors for Strides 2021. Here is an honor roll featuring all of our amazing nominees. Every individual and team that was nominated is truly deserving of recognition for their incredible work. Thank you all. Now we're going to hear from our healthcare heroes about what inspires them in the amazing work they do every day.
Hello, my name is Nancy. I'm a medical radiation technologist at the Hamilton General Hospital, where I've worked for the last 30 years. My career allows me to help physicians within the hospital with diagnosis and therefore assist in patients' recovery and hospital stay. I feel like I've always had a passion in the science behind X-rays, and I believe my career plays an important role in allowing me to transfer that compassion into the field. I also want to thank my coworkers for helping me shape my rewarding career. Now it's your turn to stride.
My name is Michelle, and I'm a physiotherapist on the inpatient spinal cord injury rehabilitation program. I'm fortunate to come to work every day to a job that I love and to work with a team that is amazing. In rehab, we have the time to make connections with patients and to really build that trust and use that trust to push people to their potential. I love to help people solve problems and also to celebrate their successes. I'm inspired by the level of determination and willpower that I see every day in patients that are working to overcome devastating, at times, injuries and diseases. I love it when people begin to take charge and direct their own care and become as independent as possible. I believe that my program is changing lives, and I am so lucky to be a part of that. It's your turn to stride.
My name is Jenna Pike, and I'm a registered practical nurse at the Hamilton General Hospital, 8 West Internal Medicine. Every day I am motivated to give back to such a vulnerable population because me and my family have been surrounded by healthcare our entire lives. My brother was very sick as a child, and it was the healthcare professionals that made him feel comfortable, safe, and secure. Every day I am motivated because of my brother to make my patients feel comfortable, safe, and secure while receiving the best care that I possibly can give them. It's your turn to stride.
My name is Biku Tujura. I'm a pharmacy manager at Hamilton Health Sciences. The thing that inspires and motivates me the most is seeing the powerful and lasting impact that a daily work in pharmacy has in improving the health of the patients under our care. Also, seeing our pharmacy team work tirelessly through the pandemic has been an inspirational experience for myself. Now it's your turn to stride.
Hi, my name is Lindsay Charles, and I'm a recreation therapist at St. Peter's Hospital on the palliative care unit. Each day I am motivated by my patients and families. I inspire to provide them with quality of life through recreation and leisure programming. Now it's your turn to stride.
Hello everyone, my name is Navin Singh, Vice President Marketing and Communications at Hamilton Health Sciences Foundation. It's my pleasure to welcome you to this year's Strides for Healthcare Heroes. I'd like to thank all of our participants, donors, and Healthcare Hero ambassadors for joining us this year. This annual event is in its 11th year, and in that time has raised over $1.2 million. Those donations have been used to fund hundreds of pieces of equipment and enabled healthcare teams to provide specialized care for patients across the region. This year, the impact will be even greater. Thanks to the generous support of donors to our COVID response every dollar raised will be matched by $3. The money raised this year will go to fund a life-saving ECMO machine for Hamilton General Hospital and a spirit bed for St. Peter's Hospital. Important equipment like this helps our healthcare heroes to provide the best possible care when it's needed the most. They've worked tirelessly during the pandemic to keep us safe and healthy. This event is an opportunity to thank them for their care, compassion, and dedication. To all of our Strides participants, past and present, thank you for your continued support and generosity. Thanks also to our amazing sponsors and community partners for making Strides possible. We look forward to seeing you again in person and are hoping that we'll be back at Bayfront Park next year so we can enjoy the event together. I'd like to now welcome Holly Gator from Freedom Studios, who will lead us in a stretch to help us get warmed up for our walks and runs.
Hi, I'm Holly from Freedom Studios. If you are able to, please join me in warming up for your walk or your run. Good luck. Here we go. We're gonna start with our head, reaching up to the sky and down. And sideways like you're saying no. Beautiful. We're gonna kick up our cardio and get started with bum kicks. Kick that bum. Awesome. We're gonna work our hips now and stretch them out so we're deep into our lunge. And hold. And down. And hug that knee. Last time on this leg. And last one on this leg. Beautiful. We're gonna warm up our legs. If you need to, please grab onto a wall for support. We're gonna swing our legs back and forth to warm up our hips. Ready, here we go. Beautiful. Other leg. And sideways. Good, and switch for the last leg. Beautiful. We're going to warm up our ankles. We're going to push our ankle over top of our toe and switch feet. Switch. And last one, switch. We're going to do some circles with our ankles. And your other foot. Ready? Toe up. And one. Other side. Fantastic. Good luck on your walk or your run.
Thank you, Holly, for leading us through that great stretch. I don't know about you, but I feel ready to take on some strides. On September 27th, we will announce our top fundraising individuals and teams, as well as our runners with the fastest time. That includes the best 5K and 10K times for male and female runners. To qualify for prizes, you'll need to upload your run onto the Strava app and join the Strides for Healthcare Heroes group. You can upload your run directly onto the app from your smartphone or smartwatch so that we can see the most accurate run times for each participant. More information can be found on the Strides website under the Runners Hub page. Well, fundraising will continue until September 30th. The top 3 fundraising prize winners will be determined based on cash received online or in person by Hamilton Health Sciences Foundation. That deadline is Sunday, September 26th at 11:59 p.m. In-person donations must be submitted no later than 4 p.m. on Friday, September 24th to be eligible for fundraising prizes. Prize winners will be notified and announced on our website and through social media. A couple of other housekeeping reminders before we wrap up. Please share photos and videos from your Strides walk or run on social media. Use the hashtag StridesHamilton. Ensure you are following physical distancing requirements and safety protocols for your activities. Strides 2022 is tentatively scheduled for September 17th. And we're hoping to hold that event in person. Save the date in your calendar. We hope to bring back all the fun activities that you know and love. Just a reminder that every dollar donated to Strides will be matched with $3 from a generous group of donors supporting our COVID response. Thank you again to all of our participants, sponsors, donors, and of course, our healthcare heroes. Thanks everyone, and enjoy striding for Healthcare Heroes.
Saturday night, I've been waiting on you, waiting till the break of day. I don't know what I'm gonna do, I gotta get out of the way. 'Cause I've been running around, trying to find the start. Yeah, I've been running